Hello, welcome. I'm so pleased you could join us here today. So today I'm going to ask you a really severely great question. It is just, I don't have the words to express how strong this is. It's, what is your why? Why do you do the things you do? Why do you go to the job you go to? Why do you have a home business? Why do you do the different activities, the different things that you do in your life? So the question is, how strong is your why? Because when you want to accomplish something, isn't why you're doing it a huge factor in how it will come out and what you will be doing? And also, in order to have the it, and what is the it that you're striving to get? And what is the it that drives you to look at why you want it, what you will do to get it, and what it will do for your lifestyle. Plain and simple, right? When you put it down, and I broke it down into just simple it and why, which makes it so much simpler to get a good perspective on why we do some of the things that we do. And when you know why you're doing something, then it's so much easier to get connected with your mindset, because your why is in direct connection with the mindset you have right now. And your mindset should always be focused on the now and gratitude. So if now, and this is just going to be a question for you, because I know you're going to be out there wondering, what am I talking about? Your mindset should always be focused in the now, because the past is gone. You can't do anything about that. The now is here today, and the future hasn't happened yet. So there's no sense focusing on what hasn't happened yet. But what you do is prepare. You prepare yourself, your lifestyle, and the different tactics and strategies that you use in your life to create and have the lifestyle you want. And when you break it down that way, I found it is so much simpler to have the success you want when you know why you want it. And the it is the next key. So it could be that maybe you want a new car. So that's the it that you're striving for. Or maybe you want to go on a worldwide vacation with the family, and that's the it that you're striving for. And maybe you want time freedom, which is what I love the most about my lifestyle, is I have time freedom to come and go and do as I please. And with my time freedom, I make different choices in my life. And one of the choices I always strive for is always learn something new every day. So no matter what I'm doing, I'm always learning, which means I'm reading, I'm listening, I'm taking part in different support groups, whatever I need to do to keep myself growing and my lifestyle growing to be as carefree as I choose it to be. So what you can do is, I'm going to break this down a little bit more for you, is, because we've gone over this prior to this, is you have to create a lifestyle out of what you actually want to do. And when you have that skill, you have to learn something every day. If you're not learning every day what you need and what's going to grow your business, grow your lifestyle, give you the time freedom that you always want, why not? So you have a business, right? You've grown this business. You're trying to get it going, and maybe something's just not happening yet. It's not coming together yet. You know what? It's going to. It just takes a little bit more time. So I encourage you to learn something new every single day. and know what your why is and why it is so important to you. Excuse me. The handyman is working on the house today. Startled me. So to have a strong business, don't you think, this is a question for you, don't you think it's better to have a tried and true system that is working? And I'm asking you this because if your why is strong enough and you are some of the 3% that are going to succeed this year in making their business their own and making it an actual business where you will be taking the lead, you will be the leader, you will be creating sales in your business. Yes, you will learn new skills every day. You will learn how to use them, work them, and not just that, you will learn how to teach them. How about creating your own courses? Are you doing that yet? Are you putting all that knowledge you have out there into creating learning platforms for other people? When you do these things, you're going to grow you, your business, your lifestyle, and your why. You'll find your why will expand and grow as you do. Your why will not stay the same. So you can have teams, you can have training sites, you can have subscriptions where people will pay you, different programs that you do. You can even launch your own affiliate program where people will sell what you create. This is a really, really great idea for anyone out there that is building an actual business. I mean, you can be an affiliate and that's great. You don't have any stress. You don't have to worry. You just have to keep sales every day. You have to keep advertising and you have to keep moving your links around every single day. But when you have an actual business, you can get yourself out there and get yourself known. And you can get paid directly. And you know what? The greatest part I love about my own business is sales are all mine. It's all mine. And I love that. And I'm also an affiliate. So I have the best of both worlds. I'm an affiliate with a company and I have my own business. So I have the best of both worlds, like I said. And it is something I would wholly encourage anyone out there who is looking to do exactly what I'm doing. Or maybe you have a different why. Maybe you just want to work part-time and make a little bit of money, just enough to get by. That's fine. Whatever you choose to do in your life is your choice and it's your way of doing it. So I'm just asking you, how would you feel if, I'm just going to say if, because you know what I do and how I build my business is not for everyone. I want to be my own boss. I want to have the freedom that I have. And I choose to put in the time and the work to make it happen. Whether it be the coaching that I do, or the courses I create, or the different strategy sessions I hold, or the webinars, whatever it is. I choose to have my why be strong so that I can have the time. For me, time is of the utmost importance because time is the one thing I cannot afford in my life. If I could afford time and actually get a return on my revenue for time, I would be a very, very wealthy billionaire. Think about it, 24 hours a day. So what I choose to do is to run my business. This way, I can and do create sales every day, create revenue coming into my business every day. And I learned how to do these tips, these tricks, these strategies, and I keep learning every single day. And I learn from top earners. I learn from people, 8-figure earners that are doing it every day. So I find that I'm not given a raw deal. I'm given the best knowledge that anyone can give me. And I love to pass that on. Everything I learn, I pass it on to as many people as I can because it is important that we keep the momentum going, that we keep helping as many people as we can in this world to have and to succeed and to grow their business and to be successful. Because 97% of the people this year alone, and this is statistics that I've seen today, alone will fail. So that means only 3% will succeed in their home business. Only 3%. That's out of millions of people. Don't think it's only like 100 people or whatever. This is out of millions of people. There's millions of people online right now who have a home business and who are going forward with their home business. And some are struggling. Some are just cracking it and just breaking through right now and making it happen. So I encourage you to, if you have this home business and you're struggling, get your why in check. Get your why as to why you want it, and get the training that you need and the lessons and the courses that you need to learn so that you can create a profitable home business, an actual business where you have all the revenue coming into your pocket. And again, if you're an affiliate, that's great too. It's okay to be an affiliate and do the home business. You can do them both, and you can run some affiliate links through your home business. It's that simple. So I want you to take a look here, because you know what? This is a business platform. This is for people. This may not be for you. If it's not, that's fine. If it is, then you need to get in here and take a look at this and get going. There's some free offers here at the beginning. I want you to take a look at that and look and see what this course has done for me. I am successful because of all the learning and all the training I have acquired and done over this past year. This past year has skyrocketed everything I've done and changed the whole momentum of my business. And my why has changed several times. So when you look at your why you're doing this, and how strong is it? You have to really, truly want it, and your mindset has to be in play with that. So I put a link up here in the header for you to take a look at this and see what I'm talking about, and see the testimonials, see what the rest of us are learning and what we have learned, and see the successes that we have growing in this community. And it is a community. When you're involved with this many top earners, it's not a group, it's not a club, it is a community where we share and we have live trainings. And how would you feel if you could get in on live chats, live trainings with 8-figure earners? Get your questions answered. Be in a group where people are responding that know what they're talking about. Maybe a bunch of you have a question and you can help each other. That's what it's all about. It's all about growing and growing and growing. And we want to make this year the best year ever. 2019 is a record year for home business. So let's take it and let's knock these figures out of the ballpark. And I personally would love to see some of this revenue come into your pocket also, because there is a lot of revenue out there. There's a lot to be had. And you know what? There's more than enough for everybody. So if you think that it is saturated, or maybe it's just nobody's buying, nobody's doing anything, think again. Take a look at this and see what you're going to get, because this is all about growing your business your way with your name on it, nobody else's. Name your business what you want. I suggest you brand yourself, and you know what? Use your mindset to keep this going forward and get these questions answered you have that are lingering right there in your brain. Come on, I know they're there. Okay, guys, I look forward to hearing more from you, and I look forward to hearing your success stories. So please like and share this video and get it out there, and go over there to YouTube, and please subscribe to our channel. We are growing everything we can think of. Okay, guys, I will chat with y'all later. Bye-bye.